Hey guys. Hey, ever wondered what a typical day at Ormond College is like? I'm Ryan, a first year student at UniMelb and Ormond College. Come spend the day with me. Wait, so do you guys have classes today?
They should cancel it. It's too cold.
It's 2 degrees and it feels like -1.
So how's tree planting yesterday, Izzy?
It was actually really good.
Charlie, you up early? What do you got up to today?
Oh, I usually get up earlier.
Oh,
and,
true.
Go to the gym or have a good start to my day. But this morning my wake up was so rough for no reason. I just couldn't do it. But I've got to go meet my bio group for a group report.
Oh.
Yeah.
You should invite them back to Ormond.
I should actually. That's where we did all of our groups.
Yeah, that's way better.
It's actually a good idea because we've got the rooms and. So we're going to CAC today, Ryan.
So Emmy and I are heading off to class. One of the biggest perks of living at Ormond College is how convenient it is to get to UniMelb campus. Anyways, let me show you my route to class.
A few moments later.
Hey, I'm back at college and I'm heading towards the ACCA. Fun fact, Ormond offered tutorials for most of the uni subjects and look at us academic weapons just grinding for H1. Anyways, it is lunchtime after this and I'll keep the camera rolling at lunchtime.
He didn't walk, he did 35 km walk.
What? Oh my god, that's so cool.
Where was that?
It's like
charity walk
chips.
towards queuing.
Caramelized onion.
You say this is better than Formula and steak?
Yeah, it is. Bro,
It is not.
it's cooked better.
Shout out to kitchen stuff. We get fed 3 meals a day. College is great. So it's after lunch and Paul and I'm currently heading towards Woodsy's and he's staying at a grad building. Anyways, I'll show you around grad real quick and let's see what we'll get up to. Let's go, bruh.
Two hours later.
Hey, so I basically just spent my whole afternoon after lunch just debriefing with everyone. Anyways, it's time to get active, so let's go to the gym and play some basketball afterwards. So, alright, we're dressed, let's head to the gym. One of my favourite things about Ormond, the gym is literally right below where I live. Anyways, push day!
Round 1, fight!
So I took a shower after the gym. I'm actually on my way to the weight to play a bit of tennis with Woodsy. Let me just quickly get changed and then let's go to weight, shall we?
2 seconds later.
So as you can see, I'm on top of Wade currently. Wade is one of many facilities that Ormond has. Let's go hit balls with Woodsy.
Let him cook now! Let him cook! I said, let him cook!
Come on, cook him, cook him.
Pulls up, three-pointer!
Hey guys, tennis was amazing with Woodsy. Anyways, every Monday and Wednesdays we have a tradition where we will dress up in robes and head to formal dinner. So let me take you along with me. So yeah, that's a pretty typical day for me at Ormond College. It's super convenient, the community's great, and everything you need to thrive is right here. And the best part, the nights are never dull. Whether we'll be grinding our assignments together, hanging out in the JCR, playing a few rounds of pool, heading out into the city, or going to one of the many events. There's always something happening. If you're thinking about coming to college or have any questions regarding Ormond College, please feel free to drop them below and I'll be happy to answer.